Okay guys, here's a Forrester Class A. It's a V8 gas one, 32DS. It's a Forrester FR3 32DS. Okay guys, here's a Forrester Class A. It's a V8 gas one, 32DS. It's a Forrester FR3 32DS. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. MSRP $189,110. Price at the show is $132,996 with a monthly payment of $916. Here's the outside. We've got some storage compartments here. Your batteries, hydraulics, storage area. Got that new smell when you open it up, that's for sure. Even these little spaces. Access panel, your furnace. Big slide here with another storage unit up underneath. Again, this is the FR3. Everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Let's take a look on the inside and see what it looks like. Coach area, 2 captain's chairs. All your leveling information, everything you need to drive safe. Salesman. There's your salesman right there. If you need one, you need to come see this guy right here, Alan. Come see Alan.
I'll be your huckleberry.
Got a bed above the... Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. Alright, so here is the couch. Pulls out into a bed. Here's your dinette, another bed area. 3-burner propane stove. Microwave, some storage here, sink. It's got a Norcold refrigerator, so you can see the fins in the back. So there you go. You know it's powered and DC, AC and DC powered refrigerator. Another little area here. Fold
we were just
down
saying we
beds.
like the door placement on these better than the ones that have the door up at the passenger side. Because we have a German Shepherd and she has a hard time making that turn. Trying to get 100 pounds around that door.
Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video.
Big girl.
She is a big girl.
And here's your bathroom here to the left.
Kami.
Kami?
Mm-hmm. Kami. He was in the military,
Okay.
and they always called their camouflage Kamis.
Wash a dog in there.
So we just Kami.
Kids,
Yeah.
Maybe got dirty during the day. Wash them in there in the bottom. A little water in the bottom. It's got a fan in there. Pretty standard head area for a RV. All your controls here by Forest River. You see in here is pumping out pretty good. It does a pretty good job keeping it cool in here. Yeah. Very nice. Thank you, Alan. Have a good day. Okay, we're going to go find a Montana. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.